I saw the message on his phone. My hands started shaking. My husband was with another woman. I felt angry. I felt so much pain. He came home that night. I showed him the message. His face went white.
"I'm sorry,"
He said.
"Please forgive me. It was a mistake."
I looked at him. This man was my husband for 6 years. But now I didn't know him. "No," I said. "I can't forgive this." He tried to talk to me many times. He said sorry again and again. But I made my decision. I signed the divorce papers. He signed them too. I found a small apartment. It had 2 bedrooms. One for me, one for my daughter Emma. She was 4 years old. I packed our clothes. I packed Emma's toys. We left our old house. We started a new life. The apartment was quiet, too quiet. Emma asked about her dad every day. "Where is Daddy?" she asked. "Daddy lives in a different house now," I told her. She didn't understand. How could she? She was only 4. One day, we were getting ready for lunch. I made Emma's favorite food, chicken and rice. "Time to eat," I said. Emma sat at the table. She looked at her plate. She didn't touch her food. "I'm not hungry," she said. "You need to eat, sweetie," I said. "No." She crossed her small arms. "When is Dad coming back?" My heart broke a little. "He's not coming back, Emma, but you will see him soon." "I want Dad now." She started crying. Big tears rolled down her face. "I won't eat, not until Dad comes back." I tried to calm her down, but she cried and cried. She didn't eat her lunch that day. The next day, she asked for her dad again. And the day after that. And the day after that. Her dad visited every Wednesday. He took her to the park. They played on the swings. They got ice cream. Emma was so happy on Wednesdays. She smiled and laughed. But on other days, she was sad. She was quiet. I felt terrible. I felt like I broke her little heart. One Wednesday evening, he brought Emma back. She was holding his hand. She looked tired, but happy. Emma went inside. She ran to her room to play. He stood at my door. He didn't leave. He reached into his pocket. He pulled out a piece of paper.
"She made this today,"
He said.
"at the park."
He gave me the paper. It was a drawing. I saw 3 people, a man, a woman, a little girl. They were holding hands. There was a house behind them. I stared at the drawing. My throat felt tight.
"She needs both of us."
He said quietly.
"Look at her. She's not happy. She cries at night, doesn't she?"
I didn't answer. But he was right. Emma cried at night. She called for her dad in her sleep.
"I made a mistake."
He said.
"A terrible mistake. But Emma didn't do anything wrong. She shouldn't suffer because of what I did."
He looked at me. His eyes were sad.
"Think about her, please."
Then he left. I stood there, holding the drawing. I looked at the 3 happy people Emma drew. I went inside. I put the drawing on the kitchen table. I sat down and stared at it. That night, I couldn't sleep. I thought about Emma. She needed her father. That was clear. She was suffering, and it was breaking my heart. But he hurt me. He broke my trust. He cheated on me. How could I forget that? I didn't know what to do. That night, I finally made my decision. I chose myself. I never went back to him. I couldn't forgive him. But every time I see my daughter, I feel the pain again. I know she misses him. I know she wants her family back. And that hurts me every day. But some things can't be fixed. Not even for love. What do you think? Did she make the right choice, or should she give him another chance? Share your thoughts in the comments. To learn English through stories, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Lesson of the day. Forgive. Forgive means to stop being angry at someone who hurt you. Examples from the story. Please forgive me. It was a mistake. I can't forgive this. More examples. I forgive you for being late. He forgave his sister for breaking his phone.